In this video, we'll show you how to use the District Roll-Up tab of the IAQ Goals Planner to capture information from all your schools. When you open your copy of the tracker, you'll see instructions for each main tab on the home page. For this video, we'll focus specifically on the District Roll-Up tab. This tab allows you to gather information from across all schools to identify patterns and common issues between buildings. In this example, the tab highlights data from 3 schools in the Windy Bridge School District: Zephyr Elementary, Tempest Elementary, and Gale Elementary. The IAQ coordinator has met with the building assessment lead from each school to document major issues and determine the next steps for remediation or intervention. Next, the IAQ coordinator will complete the District Roll-Up tab and share it with the IAQ team before their planning meeting. When sending this tracker to the IAQ team, the coordinator should include the following guided questions. 1. Which issues appear most frequently across schools or campuses? 2. Are there recurring issues that can be addressed at little or no cost? 3. Do certain schools show significant IAQ concerns that require targeted improvement? 4. Where can we have the greatest positive impact on the greatest number of students? These questions help guide discussion as the IAQ coordinator leads the team through the goal-setting process.